Are you still planning a vacation? Organizing a trip requires a lot of research, so we know it's a daunting task. It takes so much time to search for flights, hotels, activities, weather. Trip Planner India is your best bet if you are running out of time or don't want to handle the hassle of self-planning. As well as curating tailored itineraries, travel consultants get you the best deals on accommodations, flights, packages, and activities. With them, you are sorted for all your travel needs. As the crucial link between travelers and travel companies, TripPlannersIndia helps travelers get reliable travel services. As part of our comprehensive customer service, we help our clients get in touch with the best travel agencies and help them find the most suitable travel packages. We make it effortless for you to get in touch with us. Visit our website at www.TripPlannersIndia.com to get started. Then you got a simple form where you could fill in some travel information. Where do you want to go? Where would you like to go from? Your departure date. Your budget. Know of travelers and etc. Phone number, verify by OTP. Then you have to click Submit button. We will then take care of all your travel needs. Upon receiving your preferences and requirements, we will match them with the best matching travel agents, and we will provide you with the most suitable packages at varying prices. Now you have the option to choose a package that suits your preferences and requirements as well as being budget-friendly. You get your best deal within no time. All you have to do is to give them a heads up and they will make all the bookings for you. So what are you waiting for unparalleled peace of mind? Choose TripPlanner India as your travel agent. Visit www.TripPlannersIndia.com. We will ensure a memorable vacation for you.